Hello everyone, this is Meenu. Today I am going to discuss about how to make a form using Streamlit. So first of all, Streamlit changes your data script into web application. Okay, that also all in Python. The code is done in Python. So for getting started, the basic requirements are that you should have Streamlit installed. Okay, Streamlit package installed. So for that, just type pip install Streamlit and this will install the Streamlit. Okay, after that, when it's installed, now you have to import it. Import Streamlit as st. Sorry with that. After this, now what are the requirements that we need to make in a form? Okay, we will now just start from it. Okay, so first of all, let's define a function. Everything, okay, that we are going to do, we will do using function. Okay, so function, let's make this function as form. Okay, yeah. Mm, any form name? No need. Let's make it simply form. After this, okay, so we don't need to give any parameter. Yeah, after this, what we need to make, okay, so some of the basic syntax that you must know, okay, related to Streamlit. So for accessing Streamlit, you need to use, like it is imported as st, so we will use st dot, okay, to use its function. So let's get started with it. So first of all, we will use st dot write. Okay, so what basically it do? Okay, so st dot write will simply write the things that you want to be printed. Okay, so I wanted this is a form. Yeah, after this, let's come down. Okay, now after this we will make form. Okay, so for that we need to use with st dot form. Okay, so st dot form. Okay, so this provide you the form option. Okay, this is the one where this form is written. Okay, so inside this you need to pass key. So for now the key, you can name it whatever you want. Okay, so I will name it just a second, sorry. Yes, I will name it in information form. Yes, and colon after this everything will get inside this. Okay, so the elements that we need is name. Okay, so name will get the value of, we will use to take the input, we will use st dot text input. Okay, so take this, we will use st dot text input to take the input, and here we will write enter your name. Okay, after this, yes, enter. One is name, the other information that we need is, you can say, age. Yeah, age, also take this input as st dot text input. Enter your age. After this, name, age, college name. Suppose it, sorry, suppose if it's for a college student. Okay, so we will write st dot text input. Enter your college name. Yes, now name, age, college name is done. Yeah, so we will take just these three inputs for now and just need a submission button. Okay, so we will add this like submission equal to st dot submit button, form submit button. Okay, yeah, and here you need to pass a label that we need. So for now we can give the label submit. Yes. Now the condition, if submission equal to true, then we will print st.success. So basically st.success prints the message in green. So we will use st.success to print the message successfully submitted. Successfully submitted. Yes. Till now this portion is done. Enter. So we will call this function. Yes. Then save it and let's run it. To run any Streamlit file, you need to write Streamlit run and the file name. For now the file name is form.py, so I will write form.py. Okay, make sure that it is already present in the root directory, like this is Streamlit, so I am already in the folder Streamlit, and press enter. So as you can see, this is the form that is made using Streamlit now. For now, this is the simple form. Okay, now we can add it something more to make it something interesting. So let's get started. So for this form, let's add some date and all to make it date. So date, this is the date. Okay, it will on, you can say date for what. Okay, so date when you are available to submit a form. Okay, so st dot, there is a date input, okay, which will take the input of the date. So you just need to put enter the date. Yes, so this will provide a date. Now apart from this, till now this is simply taking data. Okay, it's not storing somewhere in database. So now we will add a DB database. So for that we are going to use sqlite. So for that, import sqlite3. Yes. Now for this, now we need to make a connection. So name it con equal to sqlite3 dot connect. Yeah, and then you can name your database data dot db. Okay, it's not data dot db, and I will write here check same thing equal to false. Okay, now after this we will make a cursor cur equal to conn dot cursor. Yes, so now it's done. Now let's define let's define another function, okay, which will add the data. So let's name it add data. So it will take the parameters a b c d. Okay, like name, age, college name and date. This will take this parameter. Okay, now what the things that need to be added inside. Okay, so it is cur dot execute. So first of all, the things that we need, okay, like we have to check whether the table, okay, we need to create a table to store the data. So let's create a table for it, okay. Yes. Now create table if not exist. So this will first of all check, okay, whether the table exists or not. If does not exist, then it will make it, okay. If it already exists, no issues, it will not create it, it will simply add the data, okay. That I mean to say, it will work on the next line that is provided, okay. Create table if not exist, so we will name it form. Yeah, no, not form, we can name it college form. Yes, so this name will work. Now inside this we need to add the you can, yes, yeah, what are the things required there. So first is name, it will be text, new text, it will take maximum 50. Yes, then address, it is also, sorry, not address, age, it is also text, and it will take 5. Okay, after this we will add college name, CLG name. Okay, this is also text, so it will also take around 60. I will provide, and after that it will take date. Okay, so date, text, it will also take 50. Yes, so it's done. Okay, yeah, don't forget to put semicolon here, okay, else it won't run, it will throw error. After this line we will execute the insertion query. So execute now. Insert into the table name, so we have defined college form, okay. So CLG require, insert into college form values, you need to provide the values here. So question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, so these 4 values are for ABCD. Okay, now after this provide this, and what value you want to provide there. So A, B, C and D. The input, okay, like name, age, college name and date, these are the input in ABCD, and we will add this data. So I have written this. Okay, clear till now? Now after this let's go next. conn dot commit. Okay, this will commit. If you don't do this, if you don't run this command, so the changes will not get saved. Okay, so this is important. Now after this we can close the connection also. So yes, and after it's done it will show st.success, st.success. Yeah, control. Now we will send the data. If submission equal to true, we will make this function run. Okay, add data run. So for that what we need to do is add data and pass the variable name, comma, age, comma, CLG name, comma, date. Yes, so done till now. Anything else? sqlite3.connect? No. Yeah, save it and rerun it. So now we will rerun it. and yeah, you can see this. Okay, now enter your name. You can enter your name. Okay, enter your age. You can enter your age. Enter your college name. You can enter any name like IIT Kanpur. I couldn't go here, but still. And yes, you can enter any date. Okay, let me go to September 8th. Yes, submit. Okay, module Streamlit has no attribute success. Shit, I got it. A silly mistake, that is, I simply wrote a wrong spelling. Yeah, now just save it. Now it will run perfectly. Let's run it. Yeah, so let's try to submit this form once again. Successfully submitted. Yes, the data is now stored, okay, in your database. Now when you will go back to the code, okay, you can see the data.db there. Let me show you. Yeah, so here, look, data.db, you can see here, right? So this is the one that is made just now. We were here, form.py, right? So this is one of the, you can say, easiest thing to do with Streamlit. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.